Hello everybody and welcome to another episode. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to completely remove or replace the rear wheel hub from any Chrysler PT Cruiser out there. Today I am working on this vehicle which is made into the year 2005, and on this vehicle the rear wheel hub is going bad, and right here in today's episode I'm going to show you all how to completely remove it and replace it with a brand new one. Right here in this box I have the brand new wheel hub which I bought from Japan Parts. This is a very good manufacturer, it's not pretty expensive, and it's working perfectly fine for you and for your car. So if you decided to replace the rear wheel hub yourself at home and with normal tools, just go ahead. It's a very simple and straightforward job. It can be done by anywhere and everywhere. If you have a proper toolbox and a jack to lift the vehicle up, just go ahead and start replacing the part yourself at home and with normal tools. So without any further ado, the first thing which you have to do is to lift the vehicle up. You have to place it on the jack stand and you have to remove the rear wheel completely out from the vehicle. After that, the next thing which you have to do is to remove completely the caliper from the caliper mounting bracket, and to do so you have to remove the two bolts from the back and then just lift it out from the brake disc, and it will come out from its place very nice and very easy. I also recommend you all to use a flat screwdriver, and you have to put it between the caliper and between the piston, and in this way you have to pull it to the exterior of the vehicle, and in this way it will push the piston from the caliper a little bit inside and it will come out from its place very easy and very nice. Then the next thing which you have to do is to pull out the brake disc. You can just pull it out like I'm doing right here and it will come out from its place. And after that, the next thing which you will have to do is to hammer out this metal part from the middle part of the hub. You have to put a flat screwdriver or something like that to pull it out from the hub. You have to hammer it out and eventually it will come out from its place. And then you have to remove the bolt from the middle which is securing the wheel hub attached to the vehicle, and then just pull out the wheel hub and it will come out from its place very nice and very easy. Alright everybody, so as you can see, the rear wheel hub is completely removed and placed away from the vehicle, and from this moment the next thing which I'm going to do is to clean the area very good with some brake cleaner. Make sure to clean also the ABS sensor, make sure that you don't hit it, make sure that it's very clean and very nice, and after that you can proceed with the installation of the brand new wheel hub back over the vehicle. Okay guys, so from this moment the rear wheel hub is completely installed and tied to spec back over the vehicle. From this moment it is a pretty similar and simple job. Just install all the parts back over the vehicle like they were installed before, and after that the job is finished and complete. After you completely finish installing all the parts back over the vehicle, my recommendation is to go inside the vehicle. You have to press the brake pedal a few times until the piston from the caliper it will be pushed against the brake disc, and in this way the pressure will be built up into the system. With all of these things being said, those are all the things and all the steps which you have to do and follow if you want to completely replace or remove the rear wheel hub from any Chrysler PT Cruiser out there. Doesn't matter exactly which engine type or which year it is. Thank you all very much for watching. If you like the video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a comment and a like down below. See you next time.